the Trading College podcast. Thanks for joining us and remember to subscribe for future updates.
Welcome back to Trading College podcast. I'm Lee Sandford. Today we're talking about AI and trading, where it actually is right now and whether it can genuinely trade for you. Every week someone asks me about an AI bot that promises to trade while they sleep. So let's cut through it properly. Start with the honest picture. Most tools sold as AI are not what they claim. Research this year found that around 95% of retail bots labeled AI are actually basic rule-based scripts, moving averages, RSI thresholds. The same logic traders have used for 20 years, just repackaged with a new label because AI sells better in an advert. Even the US futures regulator has said it plainly. AI technology cannot predict the future or sudden market changes. That's not me being skeptical. That's the actual regulator saying it in black and white. Here's what hasn't changed, and this is the part people don't want to hear. Pattern recognition on a chart is still pattern recognition. Automated execution has existed for years. None of that is new. What's changed is the marketing around it, not the underlying mechanics of the market. Second point, the data on results is rough. Over 80% of retail bot users end up losing money. Fully autonomous AI agents, the ones generating the most hype, have produced more headlines about failures than about consistent returns. A bot left unattended for even a couple of days can hit its stop loss when conditions shift fast. There's no set and forget option, whatever the sales page tells you. Third point, and this one matters most, where AI genuinely helps is as an assistant, not a replacement, scanning thousands of charts, flagging patterns faster than a human could. We have had our own scanners at Trading College for years. One researcher described it well. AI functions like an intern who works 24 hours a day. Useful, fast. Still needs a trader with judgment checking its work. So where does that leave you? If your problem is you don't have time to sit at charts all day, AI-assisted tools can genuinely help you scan and prioritize. If your problem is discipline, an automated execution layer can remove some of the hesitation that costs traders their edge. But if you're hoping AI removes risk entirely or trades profitably with zero involvement from you, that product doesn't exist yet. Anyone selling you that is selling a story, not a system. My view hasn't shifted in years. Technology speeds up the process. It does not replace the process. You still need a method. You still need risk management. You still need to understand why a trade works, not just watch a black box tell you to click buy. That's exactly what the color method is built for. Structure that works, whether you're reading the chart yourself or using tools to help you read it faster. That's it for today. Use the tools, don't worship them, and keep your own judgment in the driving seat. This is Lee Sandford signing off from Trading College.
The Trading College podcast. Thanks for joining us and remember to subscribe for future updates.